Hi, teacher and classmates. My name is Felipe Bolaños and I live in the department of Cauca, in the municipality of Bolívar. I live in the neighborhood San Francisco. This is a very nice neighborhood. It has two children's homes, one school, a park, and a soccer field. The neighbors are very good people, always willing to help with the community, doing activities to collect money and improve the public space of our neighbor. As for my work, I am a physical trainer. It is a very fun job. I manage many people doing trainings every day of the week. I have been working for 4 months and I am very happy because this work has brought economic stability to my family. I have two small children, a girl of 5 years and a boy of 2 years old. I am happily married with Lucia, my love, my life, of my life. We have been together for more than 8 years, and I hope there are many more. This is a recording for the course Intermediate English 2, the final. Thank you very much.